Alright guys, first video of the day. This is not red, don't worry, this is Ford blue. We have the Cougar water pump. It's not windy anymore, and it's actually pretty nice outside. It's probably high 70s or maybe low 80s. So, just gonna spritz this thing up. We're gonna get this nice and blue, and I'll have it done when you guys see me next. As I said, coat number one, I'll probably do another coat or two, just depending on how it turns out. I'll wait for the sun to come all the way up so I can see it in the sunlight. I did bring the valve covers over, and these are finished. I think they look damn good. And they're gonna be like Jordans, and if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, these little grooves on the top, they're gonna be sanded or gemoed, or they're just gonna be English, grinded down, and they're gonna be silver. We gotta figure out if they're gonna be brushed or polished. And I'm just realizing Jordan's motor are the exact same colors. The Cougar motor is gonna be that Ford light blue, except obviously the Cougar is a V8. I got back to painting this, so I basically have one whole side done. I got a few spots that I gotta go over and stuff, little stuff. This, I actually got to bring it outside now, so I can really go at it. And then, did I show you? Yeah, the water pump. But yeah, these valve covers are hot. I'm liking this. Well, hopefully when I see you guys next, probably won't be done with that, but I'll be damn near it. And later today, when the blue fully dries, I'll mask that off and paint the intake manifold black. Later.